So my name is Francesco Boin. I'm a physician working at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles. I've been working with SRF for a very long time as an investigator. I am a clinician first and foremost. I see a large number of scleroderma patients. One of the major challenges is that the disease is very heterogeneous. So every patient is unique, and you cannot go with a general rule to everybody. And I think that's what's changing now. We have the tools, both at the clinical level, so the power of algorithm computer to aggregate large number of patients and start looking at overall what are the unique features that identify distinct group of patients in terms of their outcomes, in terms of the way the disease affects them. On the other side, we have tools that allow us to look at subset of patients from the molecular standpoint. We can look at their genes, we can look at their immune cells, we can look at how their skin cells are behaving. And these allow us to separate groups that are more homogeneous and maybe should be treated differently, or that have possibility of developing different type of manifestation of the disease. So I think that's where the future is heading. Doing this precision approach to characterize the patient, to phenotype them from the clinical standpoint and from the biological standpoint, and through this identifying more effective target for our intervention, for our therapies. I think in the old days, we were using very broad medications that were treating overall the disease, but without specificity. I always make an analogy to my patient that sometimes we were using a cannonball to kill a fly, but does have a lot of collateral damage. With the advances that we're making in precision medicine, this ability to really look at more homogeneous group of patients, we will be able to avoid this collateral damage, to avoid causing more harm than benefit. So my hope is truly that through the research that, for example, the Scleroderma Research Foundation is supporting and developing, we will be able truly to get to the point of knowing in advance what may work or not in individual patients.